Well, this is my street. Streets aren't that bad. It's not that bad, it's the wind. The wind's blowing really good. And it's not showing up too well on the video here, but there's a lot of snow coming down with the wind. Blowing there. Look at that shit. And let me see. You got the Lincoln down there, covered in snow. It'll focus. There it is. I'm looking down the road on Broad Street. You know, not that bad, but it's supposed to get worse. We only have about maybe 6 inches on the ground. We're supposed to get a whole foot by tomorrow morning, by 7 o'clock. Oh yeah.